Alright, good.
Christy, with my freezing
Hey,
cold hands.
that's
Sorry.
alright. It's all good.
What do you got on for the glass thing there?
Vuzix glasses, augmented reality glasses.
So what are you seeing right now?
You?
Besides, but am I augmented? Do I have like horns in my
No,
head or a little creature
no,
next
no,
to
no.
me?
It's Hi, how are you?
Fine.
It's good. Uh-huh. What's that? Am I familiar with them? Yeah. Good mate, how are you? What have you got here?
I'm from a company called Yellow Tech.
Yep.
The studio structure,
Uh-huh.
mic arms, monitor arms,
Yep.
iPad stand,
Mm-hmm.
that sort of thing, recording microphones,
Mm-hmm.
USB sound cards, and kind of signaling lighting for the studio.
Okay.
Here we go.
Hey mate. Just trying to find out what you guys are doing here, what you got.
Basically, they're a manufacturer of equipment.
Yeah.
They are also promoting this app. It's basically for translation.
Okay. Yeah.
And here, so this is instantly, you change the language instantly.
Mm-hmm.
It'll depend on the customer's workflow.
Hey mate, how are you? Good,
Yeah,
yourself?
pretty good.
Sorry, I don't want to interrupt you. I just
No,
want
no, cool. How
to
you
say good
doing?
day. Yeah, really good.
Yeah?
Yourself?
Yeah, so we have our
Yeah? Enjoying the role?
We're all fine. Really
Yeah.
actually very good. Yeah, we've actually stopped everything about 9 months ago, so same here at ISC.
Yeah.
Decided to build
Yeah.
this enterprise class piece,
Yes.
and it's now all finished. And it's
Nice.
product that
Hello. Good, yourself?
Peter, I was wondering when I would bump into you.
Yeah, how you going?
Well, how are you?
Good mate, good, good.
Awesome.
What are you up to?
Yeah, I'm here with.
Have a call?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Nice.
Do you know about it?
A little bit, a little bit.
Do you
I hear
know about it or
I hear the name come up. You can give me a
10-second
10-second overview? Yeah.
I'm going to give you the Australian 10-second.
All right,
overview
okay.
Over the American, New Zealand.
Right, okay, fair enough. This is good. This for the kids?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We sell this very good
Mm.
to Europe and America because this is the game. This is a 43 inches touch